In this video, I'll be doing my April 2024 maintenance update for my 2019 Ford Super Duty. As you probably already know, in this video, we'll be covering the maintenance I performed in the month of April, any modifications that were made to the truck, and the miles that I drove. Let's get into it. With my new oil change regimen, changing my oil every 10,000 miles, the only maintenance I did in the month of April was a tire rotation. I probably could have done 2 tire rotations. I was running a bit short on time, but that was all. And outside of washing the truck, there weren't really any other maintenance related items, because on March 30th, I had done an oil change. I had already done my fuel filters. I had greased the front end. I had basically done the full gamut of all my maintenance stuff. So at least for April, we just did tire rotation. Now, for the modifications that I made, nothing specifically to the truck body, chassis, suspension, or engine itself. The main thing that I added to the truck in this month was the decked drawer system. That's been a huge upgrade for me. A lot of people I know with pickup trucks think they're a waste of space because it's like, well, you can't use your bed then. But for me, the application makes sense. I'm not towing gooseneck or fifth wheel, and I'm always taking tools in and out of my bed multiple times in a run because I'm constantly doing stuff to hook up my weight distribution hitch, checking the trailer lugs once a day, checking air pressure, zip tying various things like awnings, slides, landing gear. And so I need to have access to my bed. And before, I had been using these plastic crates, which was fine. They worked great. They were $5 at Target, and you could get stuff in and out pretty easily, but it required you to get up into the bed, get the crate, pull it forward, and it was a lot of just jumping in and out of the bed. And so with the drawer system, now I have watertight storage compartments that are on rollers. I can put up to 200 pounds, and then if I ever decide to get rid of my cap, you can put 2,000 pounds on top of the deck system as well. So pretty sweet, honestly. In terms of miles I drove to finish out this video, we didn't have as big of a month as we've had other months, but between this video update and the last one, the truck currently has 155,495 miles. On the last update, we had 147,229. So we've done about 8,200 miles in the last month. And I don't really see my pace slowing. Again, I tend to do between 7 and 10,000 miles each month. And so, 8 seems to be about average, but the prior month I did about 10. So it does depend on how many loads I decide to take. But I think with the summer rush picking up, there's a lot of freight right now that needs to get moved. I think in the month of May, which is this month, I most likely will be doing 10,000 miles. That's gonna do it for this video. Not a lot of updates outside of the deck system and just the mileage. I have more videos coming on the oil analysis I've been doing, so be sure you subscribe to see what I'm finding in oil that's 8 and 10,000 miles old. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe so you get all of these videos, and make sure you hit that notification bell. We will see you next time here on PowerStroke Maintenance. Cheers.